All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits, Krulsawat. I'm a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today we are here in the northwest of the Las Vegas Valley in the master plan community called Skye Canyon. Now, Skye Canyon is one of the newer developments out here in this master plan community, out here in the northwest of the Las Vegas Valley. What's nice about this master plan community, they do have a full clubhouse too as well. The clubhouse consists of a pool, spa, they have aerobics, I mean, they have it all, parks and all that stuff. Now, right across the street is the main shopping center here, as you can see it through the view fencing here. But today we are going to be exploring this corner lot. I believe the builder on this is actually I think it's Woodside Homes on this one. Now this is a corner lot, as you can see. Mailbox is right over here. Matter of fact, you know what, I think these ones are actually Pulte. I could be wrong, I don't remember from the top of my head. However, this home right here, it features 3,905 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, was built in 2007, and the asking price on here is $1,150,000. Give a quick shout out to Melissa J. Franco with Select Property Group for allowing me to do this property home tour. So on the exterior, as you can see, we do have a 3-car garage. I'm not too sure if that garage is actually attached to the home as far as access to the home. Now we're going to go inside. We're going to take a look around. As you can see, we do have some pavers, and these guys are actually doing a open house. So as we come in, we got 24 by 12 on the tile. Everything's all nice and open. What we're going to do is we're going to start over here off to the left. So it looks like what we have here. Off to the left we have, I'm going to say this is more, oh wow, pretty large room on here. Two-tone paint. Casings are 2 inches around the casings. Looks like we have a straight edge. 6 inches on the baseboards too as well. Alright, let's see what we have here. Obviously we've got to change the batteries on that. You got the Petrofina. Nice shower. You got the fiberglass tub. I mean, not fiberglass pan. Okay. Alright, we're gonna head back down this way. You got the ceiling fan. You got the transfer duct right there. Off to the left, we have our half bath. 36 inches on the countertop. Our utility closet. Okay. Alright, let's head on down this way here. So here's the 2-car garage. So coming inside a 2-car garage, we have 8 foot on the garage. Looks like we have 8, I think 10-foot ceilings here too as well. This is a true 2-car garage. Soft water there. Then we have our Ream hot water heater. Okay. Alright, let's go back inside, see what we have. We'll start off on this side right here. So this looks like a extra room, or it could be a den. Let's see what this is right here. Oh, this is MDF board. Okay, I like the 6-foot slide here. So this would be your extra, what, closet space? Not too sure what this is. Looks like your TV will go right here. You got your cable right here too as well. Beautiful pool. You got your thermostat. We'll head on down this way. Let's take a look at the kitchen. So as you can see, the wall is cladded with some wood planks. I initially thought this is a large TV, but this is just completely open. I love this. You got some granite, 2-inch front face on the granite. You got the dual basin sink, push button for the garbage disposal, and looks like we have GE appliances. Wow, they actually did the upgrade on the pot filler too as well. You got the 42 upper cabinets with the 3-inch crown. You got a 48-inch cooktop. You got some pantry space. You also have a pocket door here too as well. Pretty deep pantry, that's for sure. I'm gonna take you guys outside to the back. So we have a nice covered patio. You do have the pavers, and you have a beautiful PebbleTech pool. You got the jacuzzi, bunch of river rock, a lot of vegetation, trees, beautiful water feature. Definitely a beautiful home for sure. Now, if you guys are interested, the HOAs here are $175 a quarter. Now, you do have a master plan community fee of $127 a quarter. So we have a cooling deck too as well. You got some pop-ups with the pool. You got the jacuzzi. Oh, you actually have a crawler here. Looks like there's a clog on the water feature there. So this is just like a separate area for your fire pit here. This looks like a gas fire pit. Oh, I like the fact that the pool pump is completely out of the way. See what we have here. Looks like they use this side for a dog run too as well. So it looks like this pool equipment here was added in after the fact. And it's a Pantry, which is a top of the line. We're gonna make our way upstairs. See exactly what's going on here. You got an open banister. You got a 36-inch staircase. Unfortunately, there's not a landing on here. It's just straight up. As we come up with a 9-foot slide, you got the balcony. Let's take a look at this. You got your vinyl slide. Huh, not bad for a view. Oh, and this one, you got 2 tiers on the eaves here. That's really nice. Gives that contrast, and you also got rain gutter. It's cool. You got an outlet here as well. Not bad. So as you can see, this is completely open. It looks like the primer is on that side, so let's start off on this side here. Another thermostat. 9-foot ceilings. You got all tile on the second floor. One thing I would take a look at is that they just tile right over the plywood. Tub shower combo. This is definitely my favorite tub shower combo for standard. You got a coax out here on this side. Transfer duct right above. We're gonna take a look here. Laundry room, washer and dryer are included. Okay. You got a little bit paint chips here and there. You can tell they're actually just different colors. Looks like they try to match it, but could not match it. This one, they had an option to do a double sink. Looks like they did with the single sink. You got Delta fixtures. If you guys want more information about this home, I will have a link in the description below. I mean, you can see like all the different color paint there. I don't know if you guys can see that, the reflection. Can you guys see that? Looks like they try to bundle this casing around the door. Another bedroom. Oh, it's a lot of bedrooms, that's for sure. Let's go take a look at the primary at this point. Love these windows right here. See all the mountains. Look at that. That's gorgeous. What do we have here? Just a linen closet. Coming into the primary, very large primary. Decluttered the walls here. Looks like they put laminate. However, whoever did this, the finishings on here is not as clean, but again, you're probably not even gonna notice that anyway. I will only know it. I've only noticed it. I kind of like this brick color here for an accent wall. Not bad. Wow, this is a very awkward shape tub. So basically you put your head here, your arms rest here. What is that for right there? Let me know in the comments. Wow, you only have a 1/4 inch on here. I mean, overall, this home is not that bad. I mean, you gotta understand, this is a used home. So when you do buy a used home, there's gonna be little minor perfections, but oh, cool. That's your walk-in closet. Now, this is not cheap. Water closet here. You got his and hers. All right, we're gonna go finish up this video, but let me take a look at this. All right. I'll see you guys later. You guys have a good day, okay?
Man, you too, dude.
As far as making, right?
Yeah. So, like,
I do like these archways here too as well. I believe these are actually Pulte homes. No, you know what? Not Pulte, Purdy. These are actually Purdy homes. I'm sorry. I don't know. What your thoughts are about this home? Definitely a lot of potential. A couple things I definitely would change. As you can see, you got some discoloration over here on the pop outs due to the fact that the sun beats on this side, but other than that, minor perfections. Again, if you guys are interested in this property, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Be blessed, folks. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.